All right, guys. Well, you see right here, he made the pull so easy, we had to give him a little bit more of a challenge. So, y'all thought the day was over. No, no. Oh, I'm walking in crap. Two-wheel drive and she's stopped. We just simply riding through the field. Try to drive up the hill there, see if it happens. All right, here's Jeffrey in four-wheel drive. He's moving. Oh yeah! Oh! Keep it going. All right, oh. I think we should back up a little bit and bump it. Right there, all right. There we go. Back up and bump it again. Look at that, look at him, look. Still up the hill. There's the man, guys.